Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain MONEYGRAM app review to see with what you're using. So to get started with the quick in-depth app review about this mobile platform, which is MONEYGRAM. So to get started, the MONEYGRAM app allows users to send money internationally or domestically with ease. It supports transfer to bank account, mobile wallet, or cash pickup at thousands of agents' locations worldwide. The app features a clean interface, quick fee estimate, transaction tracking, and loyalty reward for frequent users. The transfers are often completed within a minute, make it ideal for urgent need and especially for sending money to family abroad. However, the app is known for occasional glitches, delayed customer support, and high fee compared to competitors like Wise or Remitly. It also replies significant makeup on exchange rate. And here's a overall conclusion about this platform. The app is simply worth it for fast and reliable cash pickup, and global coverage, but not the best value if you prioritize low fee or need a consistent technical performance, especially within the app version. And that's it. Find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.